In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add story points in Jira. Story points are a unit of measure for expressing the overall effort required to fully implement a product backlog item or any other piece of work. They help to estimate and prioritize tasks in an agile process by considering complexity, risks, and effort involved. So if you're ready to optimize your project's workflow and enhance team efficiency, let's dive into the process of adding story points in Jira. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific Jira project where you're looking to add these estimations. Begin by logging into your Jira account and opening up the project that's ready for some attention. Once you're in, look for the project settings option. You can usually find this option on the bottom left side of your screen. Clicking this will take you to a settings menu tailored specifically for your project. Upon opening the settings, your next step is to find and click on the Features tab. This tab is like the master control center, offering various tools and functionalities to toggle and adjust as per your project needs. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Now within this Features tab, there's a specific option you're interested in, the Estimation Story Points field. You're going to want to turn this option on. Toggling this feature allows you to start assigning story points to different issues within your project, which is essential for effective sprint planning and workload management. Once you've flipped the switch for story points, it's time to return to the main stage, which is your project's backlog. Click on Backlog from your project view. The backlog is where all your project issues are listed, waiting to be tackled by you and your team. Next, you need to hover your mouse over the issue that you are looking to estimate. As you explore the list of tasks, make sure you've identified the particular issue you wish to prioritize and extend your cursor over it. This action will reveal additional details and options for that specific issue. Keep your eyes peeled for the story points field. It's typically featured on the right hand side of the issue details panel. Spotting this field is key to entering your estimation. Once you see it, click directly on the field. Now is your chance to input your story point value. Consider the complexity, effort, and potential risks involved. Type in the number that best represents the overall work required. Finally, don't forget to save your estimation. After entering the story point value, there will be a check button to the side. Clicking this will lock in your estimate, ensuring that it's visible and accessible for both you and your team moving forward. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on adding story points in Jira. Remember, correctly estimating your issues will greatly aid in the overall planning and execution of your project. Happy managing.